Better days are ahead, and you can begin to trust this. Even now, this feeling will pass. This moment will pass. Even if you cannot see it yet, even if it doesn't feel that way right now, you are allowed to rest in the possibility that something good is on its way. Everything will be okay in its own time, in its own way. Good things are already moving towards you, quietly, gently, surely. So for now, just breathe and stay with yourself. Through this wave, you are moving forward, even here, even now. Better days are ahead. You can trust. You can believe. You can receive. And so it is.